बाकी आने वाली जनता आती रहेगी। आज वर्षा दीदी भी दिख रही है, वेदांशी दीदी भी दिख रही है, प्रखर भी दिख रहा है, जिशांत नीलेश भी दिख रहे हैं, रुमिशा दिख रही है, संभव जैन, दिशा, श्रावणी, हर्षित। 16 15 हो गए। ओके, कुशाग्र भी आ गया, भौमिक सुरभि भी आ गया। ऑल राइट, बाकी जनता कहाँ है भाई? शिवांश शर्मा जी भी आ गए। 16। वेलकम, वेलकम टू एवरीबॉडी। ऑलराइट, तो रुमिशा का आज हैप्पी बर्थडे है। रुमिशा का
नहीं सर, मेरा यूनिफॉर्म नहीं सर, मेरा यूनिफॉर्म गीला हो गया।
मैं सोचा था कि हैप्पी बर्थडे की मिठाई मिठाई मांग ले, टॉफी तो
नहीं
खाने
सर,
को मिली।
29 अक्टूबर को है।
हैं?
29 अक्टूबर को अभी नहीं है।
अभी नहीं है? तो मैं तो आज ही समझ बैठा था।
कोई बात नहीं सर, मैं मेरे बर्थडे के दिन खिलाऊंगी मिठाई।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, चल ठीक है, बात पकड़ में आ गई ना तेरे को, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। चलो, ऑल राइट। सो पूर्वी बेटा, चलो क्लोज योर आईज, जॉइन योर हैंड्स एंड स्टार्ट विथ वन स्टैंजा ऑफ तेरे बंधन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत। यस,
तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार। तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार। ऐ मालिक विनय है तुमसे, तुम रहना हरदम साथ, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार। विद्या के मंदिर में सच्चा विद्यादान पाए, दिनकर से भी उज्ज्वल अपना चरित्र हम बनाए। ऐ मालिक विनय है तुमसे, रहना जीवन आधार, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार। तेरे बंधन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार, सत्यम वद धर्मं चर जीवन आधार।
Sai Ram. So, shall we start with our today's presentation, right? All right. So today we are going to discuss about the role of a leader, right? Yesterday what we have done, we have come to know about the qualities of a leader. Ready? Agreed? बीच बीच में मुझे गाइड करते चलना, मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर करते चलना है बेटा। आई होप इट इज क्लियर। हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. So today we are going to discuss about the role of a leader. A leader possessing good qualities can lead effectively and efficiently. The qualities which we have discussed in the last class. And if a leader possesses that all the qualities, then he can lead a group in a very effective and efficiently way. Right? If group is guided by an ideal leader, then the group will learn and achieve the goal. Ideal leader means a person who acquires the maximum number of the qualities of a good leader. If leader is really a true leader, then he can guide to his or her follower in the right direction to achieve the goal which the which goal they have set to achieve it. The role of a leader is given below. Number one, leader act as an organizer and distribute the work among the follower. What the leader does? The leader organize and distribute the work among the followers. Any event, if you are organizing, any work if you are doing, or any goal which you want to achieve, then the leader has to have that quality to identify the talent and the courage of the people to distribute his work among to these people. When he will rightly, correctly distribute that all the duties to the right persons, then it will help to the group to reach up to the maximum level or reach up to the goal. This quality helps the group to work in a systematic manner, and it saves energy and time. If the leader is having that qualities, to give that responsibility to the right people, it helps him organizing that activity into the systematic manner and also save the energy and time. Now the second point, leader plan the future training instructions. क्या होने वाला है भविष्य में? How he has to be inclusive. That leaders should try to prepare their followers or the group members or the team members for the future challenges, and he should prepare before coming that challenges in the existence. If the planning is done in advance, then it is easy to execute this all plan. अगर हम पहले से तैयारी कर लेते हैं तो फिर क्या होता है, उस प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट करने में you never find a problem. Like for example, you can take the example of our school. When most of the schools were going to the summer vacations, in our school, each and every teacher was involved in learning this electronic platform. They have learned how to use the Google Meet on which your classes are going on. They have also learned about the Zoom platform. Early in the beginning of these classes, the teacher used to take the classes on the Zoom platform. Then they have learned how to prepare the Google form, then how to collect the data from the students. Then they have learned how to prepare the videos, how to introduce to you, how they have to make the PPTs, how they have to use the other modes which are available online. So likewise, our teacher has worked very hard, because we have realized before time that this pandemic is going to be for the long months or long days. Now, that is very important to realize our responsibility as a teacher, that our students should not get affected by this academics. So that every teacher has prepared themselves up to the mark, and they are interacting with you, they are teaching you, either it is physics, either it is chemistry, either it is physical education, or English, or art, or SUPW. Each and everything is basically is going on this electronic form. So the leader has to have that intuition, what is going to happen, and before that we have to plan it, to execute our plans. Since leader is experienced and expert in the field for which he or she is leading, this helps the group to understand difficult steps or the cautions. Right? The leader with his or her expert opinion removes confusion and misconception of the member of the group. Since leader is experienced and expert in their field, now what they can do, he or she is leading that group, and this helps the group to understand the difficult steps or the doubts which arise during that process. And the leader with his or her expert opinion, because he is having the knowledge, and because of that knowledge, he is able to remove all the confusion and the misconception of this pupil, those who are working in a group. Whenever a group is moving out, the leader can act as a representative रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, कहीं भी जा रहे हैं आप, तो लीडर बिकम द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. Leader helps in producing ideas. He gives the ideas, he takes the ideas and modifies the ideas and then implement. He also gives the views, what is right, what is wrong, what is beneficial, what is not beneficial, the opinion of the group. And he also represents the opinion of the group at the different places or platforms. So that is the role of the leader. He has to be command, he has to be knowledgeable, and he has to be guide their followers in a proper way. All right? If there is anything to ask, please ask about this topic, role of a leader. Hello? Hello? Moni Babao? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
कोई रिस्पॉन्डिंग नहीं करते हो, क्या बात है?
Yes, sir.
चलो, ये मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
चलो,
sir.
good. Now the next topic which we are going to take up today is creating leader through physical education. It's a very interesting topic. How physical education helps to create the leaders. Do you believe that the physical education or physical activities or sports help in creating the leader? कितने लोग मानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
कितने लोग मानते हैं? कैसे? कैसे? कौन जवाब देगा? हेलो, बोलो भाई, स्पीक आउट.
सर जैसे हम कोई गेम्स खेलते हैं तो
हाँ,
उसमें कुछ कुछ गेम्स में टीम भी बढ़ती है, तो
हाँ.
उस टीम का उस गेम में एक लीडर बनाया जाता है, तो उससे फिर हमें पता चल लीडरशिप क्वालिटी कैसे हमें एनहांस करनी है, कैसे हमें पार्टिसिपेट करना है और पूरे गेम को अच्छे से कंडक्ट करना है.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? All right. कोई बात नहीं. So leadership qualities are developed through physical education or through participating in sports. In sports, so many opportunities comes when you have to act like a leader. You have to just demonstrate that leadership qualities. And you get these opportunities, enough opportunities in games and sports. A great player act as a leader who not only set higher standard, but also take the responsibility to demonstrate the skills. In sports, whatever you get that opportunity to demonstrate first, whatever you want to get it done by your followers, your teammates, your house boys or girls, right? Are you getting my point? You have to just demonstrate first what exactly you want from the others. So when you demonstrate, it shows your skills. It shows your skills. Leadership opportunities and training can be found in all sporting activities. कोई भी गेम खेल रहे हैं, कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, हर फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज और स्पोर्ट्स में each and every place you will find that sports activities are the best platform where you evolve as a leader. अब देखिए जब हम सैटरडे और वेडनेसडे को जो मास पीटी वगैरह करते हैं, योगा वगैरह करते हैं, what I used to do, I used to call one name and he has to come on the stage and he has to perform one exercise. Now imagine a child from a 6th standard or a child from a 4th standard or 5th standard comes over the stage and make you perform an exercise. You know how many total students were there in the mass PT? More than 500 plus. See the confidence of the child after performing that exercise in front of whole school. It always remains at the high, top level. So one exercise boost up his morale, boost up his confidence, and he become a leader. He start believing on himself or herself. So that is the strength of sports activities. So leadership opportunities and training can be found in all sporting activities. Leaders can encourage and support the individuals. जब आप खेलते हैं ना, किसी से गलती होती है, कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश, दोबारा से ठीक हो जाएगा. Leader can encourage and support the individual. He always motivates the others. He always supports to the others. He always encourages to the others to perform better, to become more better. Leader may or may not be captain. It is not necessary. The leader should always be a captain. Sometimes what happens? Captaincy goes on the other hand. But your leadership qualities remains with you. And that always get demonstrated when the circumstances evolve. So leader may or may not be a captain. Through captaincy is the ultimate form of leadership. Sports provide opportunity to develop skills in communications and team building. This sports provides opportunity to develop skills in communication, how you communicate your thoughts, your ideas, your opinion with the other team members. And it also helps in development of the team. When you talk politely, when you smile, when you support to the others, what happens? They start belonging to you. These skills enable people to function effectively as a leader. And when you develop all these skills, all the traits, all the qualities, then what happens? This helps the pupil to function effectively as a leader. Mass people get started admire you. So participation in the sports often develops confidence. When you participate, you develop confidence and also trains individual to make quicker decision. जब हम खेलते हैं तो हमको बहुत सारे डिसीजन बहुत तेजी से लेने पड़ते हैं. At what speed the ball is coming, at what angle I have to receive, at what angle I have to throw, at what speed I have to throw, how I have to move, I have to jump. So there's so many decisions in fraction of seconds you have to take. So that participating in sports often develop confidence, also trains individuals to make quick decisions. And while creating leaders, the following point must be considered. Number one, while creating leader or while making the leader, the following points should be considered. Number one, and very important, leadership style. Effective leader always seeks situation and decide quickly. The person who is effective, they always shows or they always assess the situation and take the decision according to the required situation. जैसी परिस्थिति पैदा होती है उसके हिसाब से जल्दी से अपने आप को स्विच ओवर करते हैं और फिर उस हिसाब से एक्शन लेते हैं. Planning sports provides many opportunities to recognize when to behave positively. For example, when a soccer player sees a chance to score a goal, he makes the kick. And in this case, a leader is needed to consult teammates before making a decision. Playing team sports often involves developing approach to tackle the opponents. So while creating leader, it must be noticed that the leader style is effective and productive. ठीक है, कैसी होनी चाहिए लीडर स्टाइल? इफेक्टिव एंड प्रोडक्टिव. डिस्ट्रक्टिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. लोगों को थ्रेस नहीं करना है, लोगों को मोटिवेट करना है, लोगों को खड़ा करना है. जितना मोटिवेटेड होगा, जितना कॉन्फिडेंट होगा मेंबर, उतना ज्यादा बेहतर वो अपना परफॉर्मेंस है. नंबर 2, सेकंड पॉइंट, टीम बिल्डिंग. सेकंड क्वालिटी, टीम बिल्डिंग. Playing and coaching in sports always develop unity of a team. When you play together, when you are getting coaching together, it always develops a unit, and that unit converted into unity. The team building skills is the most important quality of a leader. How better a leader can create the team. If the leader is able to develop the teamness, the spirit of team, then we can say that the person is having the leadership quality. The quality to inspire others and focus on achieving objectives. Quality to inspire others, motivating others. Focus on achieving the objectives is also important for effective leader. Leader should be always focused. He should be able to motivate their pupil, their followers to achieve the target for which the team has been created or for which this group has been created. In the case of team games, team spirit is very vital to excel in these sports. Any task, any work cannot be achieved without a team, and team with highly motivated in spirit. If you are not so highly team spirit, then you cannot achieve the target, required target. So to achieve any goal or any target, your team must be in the high spirit, means high confidence. While creating leader, it should be taken into consideration that the quality of team building is very important. So first is leadership style. Leadership style should be effective and productive. Second, team building. Team building means consideration that the quality of a team building is very important. And the third one is called decision making.
सर
हाँ बेटा,
सर ये बुक में नहीं है
क्या चीज?
सर ये वाला टीम बिल्डिंग और डिसीजन मेकिंग वाला
कोई बात नहीं है, ये अलग अलग पॉइंट हो सकते हैं, बट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी तो कई बुक्स में तो ये टॉपिक ही नहीं आया है ना. मेरे पास में जो 2 बुक है उसमें नहीं है ये चीज, इसलिए मैं दूसरी जगह से लेके पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन एंड राइट इट लाइक दैट. ऑलराइट, डोंट वरी. ये
Yes,
टॉपिक पूरा हम लोग यहीं से लेके चल रहे हैं. क्रिएटिंग लीडर्स थ्रू फिजिकल एजुकेशन. अब टॉपिक हमारा ये हो गया, क्रिएटिंग लीडर्स थ्रू फिजिकल एजुकेशन, एंड रेस्ट आर दी सब टॉपिक्स, एंड सब टॉपिक्स कैन बी डिफर फ्रॉम one book to another book, but it is important to understand the concept, how we can create the leaders through physical education. All right beta, ठीक है बच्चा?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the sports help to learn decision making. Sports help to learn to make decision by observing and interpreting the information quickly. Can you imagine, अगर मान लीजिए ब्रेट ली बॉल फेंक रहा है, ब्रेट ली के बॉल फेंकने की स्पीड क्या है? कौन बताएगा? शिवम, निशांत, who is going to tell me that? He bowls the ball with 140 kilometers per hour. Now imagine the speed of that ball and the distance between 2 stumps is basically 22 yards from popping to bowling crease. Now the batsman has to take so quick decision. Either this ball is over pitched, or it is a short of length, or it is a bouncer, or it is a yorker. This all decision has to be taken in a very fast manner, in a jiffy. That decision has to be taken by the batsman. So sports help to learn to make decision by observing and interpreting information quickly. बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, किस एंगल पे बॉल फेंकूं कि रिंग में चली जाए? अगर कोई प्लेयर बास्केटबॉल में रिंग में बॉल फेंक रहा है, मैं कितना हाई जंप लगाऊं जिससे कि उसकी बॉल को हाथ से ट्रैप कर सकूं, इंटरसेप्ट कर सकूं. दिस ऑल डिसीजन. फुटबॉल में किक मारा, आप देखते हैं किक, एक प्लेयर ने बॉल को गोल पर रिलीज किया, दूसरा खिलाड़ी दौड़ के आता है और उस बॉल को हेड करता है और हेड से बॉल को गोल में डाल देता है. नाउ सी हाउ calculatedly he hit the ball, kicked the ball. Now from where the other player has started running, and at one point he has hit the ball by head to put that ball into the goal. See how much calculation is involved. Observation, interpretation, action, and result. So sports help to learn to make decision by observing and interpreting the information quickly. A leader make decision to find strategies to win. हम कैसे जीतेंगे, हम कैसे अपने गोल को अचीव करेंगे, हम अपने टारगेट को कैसे अचीव करेंगे. लीडर टेक्स द डिसीजन टू फाइंड आउट दैट स्ट्रेटेजी हाउ वी कैन विन. और लीडर मींस कैप्टन नहीं, it may be a team member, captain is somebody else, but leader always take the initiative to take the action, to make the decision. Playing sports prepare a leader to influence others. Influence others means with positive behavior. He always influence not only to the teammates but also the opponents. Not only to the opponents, he also influences the spectators. Not only the spectators, even the society in which he lives. So leader the person those who are playing sports always prepares a leader to influence others and set a realistic goal and solve the problems effectively to win a match. Right? Or win a game. Right? So this is third point. Leadership style, team building, and decision making. Next is, so competitive advantage is there, right? If the leader is taking the right decision at right time in the right direction, and if he is able to motivate the people, then what happens? The team always remains in the advantageous position. And the process of creating these leaders, it must be observed that the leader must have quality of making wise decision in minimum possible time. That is very important. If you get the opportunity to become a leader, then it is very important that you should take all wise decision in minimum possible time, so that your team members, your followers should be able to act properly in the right direction. I hope I made it clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मजा आ रहा है बात चीज सुन, लेकिन यार मेरे को ना टू वे वो चाहिए. तुम लोग दिखते नहीं हो ना, मुझे दिक्कत वो रहती है. The next point is that is also very important. Communication. Now, communication, leader must possess excellent communication skills. आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, वो बात अगर नीचे तक पहुंची नहीं है सही तरीके से, if the people are not able to understand properly, if the people are confused with your commands, you cannot be a leader then. Leader must possess excellent communication skill. What is the meaning of excellent communication means? Excellent communication का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं इंडियंस हूं लेकिन यहाँ पे अमेरिकन एसेंट में अंग्रेजी बोलूं या ब्रिटिशियस एसेंट में मैं इंग्लिश बोलूं ना. What is more important? It should be understood by each and every one. No doubt, no confusion. So that leader should have that communication skills. The leader must have that communication skills where he should be able to motivate to the people. He should be able to guide correctly to these people, those who are the followers. A follower means teammates. Players often communicate among themselves and also with the coaches. जो प्लेयर होते हैं खेलने वाले, वो अपने साथियों से भी बात करते हैं और कोचेस से भी बात करते हैं. A leader can effectively communicate with teammates as well as with the coach. For example, a basketball pitcher and catcher communicate using signals instead of speaking. जो बॉल फीड करता है ना पीछे से, किसको? जो शूटर होता है आगे, मुझे दे मुझे दे मुझे दे अगर ऐसे बोलेगा तो अपोनेंट को पता लग जाएगा। हाउ स्मार्टली दे क्विक कुछ भी कमांड बना लेते हैं एंड वेरी शॉर्ट which cannot be identified by the others, right? All right. So while a pitcher and the catcher communicate using the signal instead of speaking, then finding the way of communication effectively in any situation often helps the leader to succeed. हाँ, कई टाइप के कम्युनिकेशन होते हैं। ओरल कम्युनिकेशन होता है, मुंह से बात करते हैं। समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंस, बॉडी कम्युनिकेशन, नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, verbal communication, non verbal communication. The leader must have that art to develop that. Finding the way to communicate effectively in any situation often help a leader to succeed. While creating leader, it must be taken into account that he possesses good communication skills. अगर हम किसी को जिम्मेदारी दे रहे हैं, किसी को लीडर बना रहे हैं, किसी को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, तो ये इंश्योर कर लें कि वो कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपर्ली कर पाएगा। नहीं तो आपने वो गेम देखा ना जिसको बोलते हैं चाइनीज विस्पर, है? बहुत सारे लोग एक सर्कल में बैठ जाते हैं, फिर एक बच्चे के कान में धीरे से एक वर्ड बोला जाता है, उसको बोला जाता है आप दूसरे को बताओ, फिर तीसरे को बताओ, फिर चेन बाई चेन बताते हैं, पता लगता है लास्ट में कोई और वर्ड निकला, जो ओरिजिनल था वो वर्ड तो गायब ही हो गया। लीडर शुड नॉट डू दैट. He should be a good communicator. Whatever the message he want to pass it on, it should be pass it on in a very clear way, where no doubt and no confusion should be there. There are following opportunities available to act as a leader in sports. अब बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्पोर्ट्स में अवेलेबल है। कौन सी है? नंबर 1, कैप्टन ऑफ द टीम। खो खो इंटर हाउस हो रहा है, the person who is playing well as a kho player, they have been made as a captain of the house team. Coach of the team, हाउस की टीम है, मैं अच्छा खिलाड़ी हूं, मैं अपनी टीम को कोच कर रहा हूं, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे खेलना है, वहां पर भागना है, ऐसे करना है, ये करना है, एज ए कोच। मैनेजर ऑफ द टीम, आप मैनेजर के तौर पर काम कर सकते हैं। ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द मैच, आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे भैया लोग जो है उनको मैं विसिल पकड़ाता हूँ, बोलता हूँ चलो ऑफिसिएटिंग करो। ये मैं एग्जांपल एक छोटे स्कूल के तौर पे ले रहा हूँ, बट दिस कैन बी कैरीड बियॉन्ड द स्कूल्स। लीडर ऑफ वार्मिंग अप ऑफ एनी ट्रेनिंग सेशन, स्पोर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइजर, आप देखते हैं स्पोर्ट्स जो होता है या दूसरी कोई एक्टिविटीज होती है, बहुत सारे भैया दीदी डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दे हैव टू शेयर टू कंप्लीट द टारगेट। डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर ऑफ मास ड्रिल, कितनी बार लोगों को बनाता हूं, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ सारे लीडर होते हैं। वी डोंट रिक्वायर एनी वन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन टू बी परफॉर्मिंग एनी एज ए लीडर इन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस। हमारे यहाँ पे हर बच्चे को लीडर बना देते हैं हम लोग। यस और नो? सारे लोग इतना सिंक्रोनाइज करते हैं, एरोबिक्स करना हो, मास पीटी करना हो, लेजिम करना हो, डंबल्स करना हो, पिरामिड करना हो, योगा करना हो, हर बच्चा अपने काम को इतने अच्छे से ट्रेंड कर लेता है कि दे बिकम इंडिविजुअल लीडर्स। आपने देखा ग्रुप से कोई बाहर बच्चा रखता हूं क्या मैं कभी? आई नेवर डू दैट। यस और नो? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
हेलो?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
these all are the good qualities, and we can create leaders with the help of physical activities or games and sports. Right? Now, day after tomorrow, we will start with meaning, objective, and type of adventure sports. That is rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, mountaineering, surfing, paragliding. These all activities I will cover up in the next class. Now, if you want to know anything from my side, then tell me. बहुत सारे लोग गायब हो जाते हैं, नजर आते हैं फिर गायब हो जाते हैं, क्या चक्कर है? I hope everybody is enjoying. सबको अच्छा लग रहा है? क्लास एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
यस सर।
किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं रह रहा है? श्रावणी?
नो सर।
ओके, दिशा बेटे, is there anything which I have to change, or you want that this should be changed in this way? Any suggestion from your side? See, I am also a learner. I have completed 31 years in education, and now I have to teach on computer, and it is very hard task for me to get adjusted with the changes, right? So if anything goes wrong, if anything which you want to change it and which can be helpful for all the people, then please guide me also. I also need some suggestion. Otherwise मैं अपने आप को पहलवान मानता रहूंगा, अकेले यहाँ पे अखाड़े में कुश्ती लड़ता रहूंगा. No meaning, no meaning. Until unless this all learning is should take place in the right direction, and for that I need your help. You need my help and I need your help, right? तो कुछ भी पूछना है कोई अभी तक? हाँ, एक बात और ध्यान से सुन लो. There are chances in the next month or in the coming days you may have the exams, so start preparing yourself in that way. आप इस चक्कर में मत रहो कि स्कूल खुलेगा, फिर स्कूल खुलने के बाद में तफरी होगी, फिर हलो हाय होगी, फिर एग्जाम होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? बी सीरियस अबाउट योर स्टडीज एंड विथ फन. डोंट पुट स्ट्रेस ओवर द हेड, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी शुड आल्सो बी लिटिल डिसिप्लिन इन अवर डे टू डे रूटीन. जैसे सुबह उठते हैं, ब्रश वगैरह किया, जैसे स्कूल के लिए तैयार होते थे वैसे ही तैयार होके हमको पढ़ने बैठना है. ठीक है ना? अभी हम लोग क्या है, ऊपर टी शर्ट डाल ली, नीचे आराम से बरमूडा डाल के बैठे हुए. नहीं चलेगा, आगे जाके दिक्कत आने वाली. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो सबको अब क्या करना है, धीरे 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 अपने आप को स्टडी के मोड में लाना है, क्योंकि जब भी हमारा स्कूल खुलेंगे तो हम जल्दी से एकोमोडेट कर जाए सिचुएशन के साथ. We should not suffer with that. तो 4-5-6 महीने बाद हम जब स्कूल आएंगे तो फिर सोचो डड्डू दिखेगा, फिर डड्डू के बाद में और भी लोग दिखेंगे, तो वो फिर एक साथ लोड आएगा, और जो लोड आएगा उसमें हम लोग क्या होगा, हमको परेशानी हो सकती है. तो अभी से हम अपने आप को उस मोड में ला करके जहां पे हम अपनी सेल्फ स्टडी को, साथ में आपके पास में वीडियोस ऑलरेडी हैं, कहीं भी डाउट होता है स्कूल के यूट्यूब साइट पे जाके आप उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं, है ना? तो आपको अपनी तैयारी अब धीरे धीरे शुरू करना चाहिए. August 17th is over. Only 13 days left in this August month, and then you are having September. As September is a month in which you used to get the exams, right? It might be possible, right? So हमको अपने आप को प्रिजम्पशंस में रखते हुए धीरे धीरे अपने आप को उस मोड पे खड़ा करना है ना? एक साथ 20 किलोमीटर भाग सकते हैं क्या? नहीं भाग सकते, लेकिन धीरे धीरे 2-2, 4-4 किलोमीटर भागें और डेली डेली 1-1 किलोमीटर बढ़ाएंगे तो पता लगा 20 दिन के अंदर 20 किलोमीटर भागने लगेंगे. यस और नो? सो लाइकवाइज यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग दैट लोड लिटिल बिट so that you should be ready to have that resistance when the load comes to you. All right, God bless you. चलो शांति पाठ कर लेते जल्दी से.
सर ऑनलाइन ही होंगे क्या एग्जाम?
सुरभि जी, जैसे आप घर में बैठे हैं ना, ऐसे मैं स्कूल में बैठा हूँ, एंड नोबडी कैन प्रिडिक्ट जब तक की गाइडलाइन ना आ जाए. ठीक है बेटा? तो अभी तो हम लोग केवल प्रिजम्पशंस में हैं, हमको तैयारी अपनी पूरी रखनी चाहिए बेटा, है ना? अभी अपन ने ये पढ़ा, अभी यही लीडरशिप में पढ़ रहे थे कि पहले से चीजों को सोचने की तैयारी करें. थिंक लिटिल बियॉन्ड, है ना? तो वो मेरा कहने का मतलब है, जिससे आप लोग अपने आप को मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड रखें. ठीक है बेटा? सुरभि जी, बात पकड़ में आई?
यस सर.
Okay. Chalo, close your eyes, join your hands. Start Shakti part.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you.